What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Feature Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your Eufy 2K indoor camera. Now, before we get deep into the video, make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Let's get into it. Quick disclaimer before we begin is depending on what storage option you're using, you may lose any saved footage that you have on there before you reset. So make sure that you are aware of that before you go ahead and begin resetting the camera. To begin resetting the camera, you need to make sure it's plugged in. Once you confirm that, you're gonna have to find the sync button right here, and you're gonna press and hold this until you hear 2 beeps. You may have to hold it down for up to 10 seconds. And there you go. And once that's the case, you can let go of your finger and it will begin resetting now with the application, and you can begin setting it up through there. Another way to reset the camera is to simply go under the Eufy app, and once you do, you're going to click on this setting icon right here. Once you tap on that setting icon, you're going to scroll all the way down to where you see remove device, and you just tap on that and it will begin resetting again with the Eufy app. You may need to reformat your SD card by tapping on storage, local storage, and then press format down here. So this was my video on how to reset your Eufy 2K indoor camera. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.